Thank you for joining us for this winter weather briefing. It's Saturday afternoon, November 23rd, and we're going to talk about the light snow and sleet that's occurring right now, and then the little bit heavier snow that's going to happen tonight. Our current headlines for this afternoon, you can see the pink are winter storm warnings, this purple color, winter weather advisories, and most of the panhandles are under a winter weather advisory for the light snow we're expecting to receive tonight, along with some freezing drizzle and some sleet that we've seen today and may even see again on Sunday. As you can see, this system encompasses a large area all the way to Arkansas and even northern Louisiana with winter storm watches, and then we've got winter storm warnings all the way back into Arizona. So just a quick synopsis, we have some light snow and sleet that's falling this afternoon, and mainly the southeast Texas panhandle. Up to an inch of this snow could fall before we get to sundown. However, our bigger concern is the heavier snow tonight, where we could see 2 to 5 inches around the area and some higher amounts west into New Mexico. Winds will be pretty light, so this will be the kind of snow that falls gently, and the drifting should be pretty minimal. But by tomorrow morning, we could see some slick, snow-packed roads, bridges, and overpasses. Just going to go through some forecast radar. Like I said, right now there's some light snow and sleet falling in the southeast Texas panhandle, adding up to maybe about an inch. We're going to focus in on the tonight period where the main band of snow will result in more significant accumulations. So as you can see, this is an 11 o'clock forecast radar for Saturday night. You can see the main band just off to the southwest here, and it'll be moving from southwest to northeast into the area. And here's the 2 a.m. forecast radar. As you can see, Amarillo area, moving into Pampa, and just getting into Dalhart. According to this model, which seems to represent a pretty good timing, will be affected by the main band at this time. So it should be snowing moderate to heavy in this area right into the early morning hours there on Sunday. And as you can see, this band is pretty progressive as it transitions off to the northeast, and Amarillo is already getting out of the heavier snow by 5 a.m. Sunday morning, whereas areas such as Perryton, Spearman will be getting into the heavier snow at that time. And then you see this band kind of shifts further eastward as we go into 8 a.m. on Sunday, and should just have maybe a little bit of patchy freezing drizzle or some flurries left over in the wake of the band as the snow moves off. So what we're expecting for snow amounts, going to be heaviest to the south and to the west, and then a little bit lighter up to the north, as the band only clips the places in the north. So for the southern half of the panhandles, we're looking at 2 to 5 inches, northern half generally 1 to 3 inches. Could have a few locally higher amounts down here, but 2 to 5 should be a good general range. And the probability of our winter weather hazards, we could have some freezing drizzle either today or at the end of it on Sunday. Ice storm looks very unlikely. Most likely scenario is going to be light snow accumulations. And our forecast confidence, we do have high confidence in the precip type. We could start off with a little bit of sleet tonight, but it will generally transition to snow fairly quickly, and then maybe a little of that freezing drizzle at the end. Amounts, our medium amounts are always difficult, but we do think that the 2 to 5 is a pretty good range for a lot of the panhandles here outside of the north. And then timing and location, we have pretty high confidence in where that's going to be. So we thank you for joining us, and stay safe out there tonight and tomorrow morning, and make sure to take extra time for your travel plans.